Man, what a volatile day. I'm talking about volatility in the stock market, in the crypto market, especially in Shiba Inu Coin. Guys, Shiba Inu Coin was around 2,300 points per coin earlier, and I had people thinking that we were going to be rocketing up from there, and then you know who opens his mouth. My boy Jerome Powell steps up to the plate, starts talking, and all of a sudden crypto starts tanking. Now, the interest rate, if you guys are worried about that, the interest rate did not increase. It's in line with expectations. Nobody was expecting interest rates to increase today. But it's what Jerome Powell said at the Federal Reserve press conference that kind of put investors on edge again. Now, that's what we need to talk about in this video because it has a lot to do with Shiba Inu Coin and the direction that crypto and Shiba Inu Coin could be headed, at least in the near-term future or at least until March. So that's what we're going to be talking about. And of course, guys, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy cryptocurrency and stocks, you can use the link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account, and a $100 deposit is going to get you at least 3 free stocks right now. Normally, it's 2, so take advantage of it. And then any $1 crypto trade is going to get you your choice of $5 in free crypto. And yes, you can choose Shiba Inu Coin. And if you guys are into just exclusively crypto, you can use the links for Crypto.com, Binance, and Gemini down in the description as well. Every single one of them has rewards. Make sure to check those out. What a day. What a day. Volatility was insane. Shiba Inu Coin up 10%, down 15%, back up to break even, then down 5%. The swings were ridiculous, and we need to know why. Because volatility often scares people, and when you don't know why something is happening, it can make you panic. So let's just break down what the Federal Reserve said today, what Jerome Powell let us know at the press conference, and why it affected Shiba Inu Coin and crypto the way that it did. Now, we've been talking about interest rates for a long time now. Basically since, I'd say, Black Friday, the day after Thanksgiving here. Stock markets were open. We thought we had a Black Friday sale, and then a Cyber Monday sale, and then another sale, and another sale. And we've dipped. The NASDAQ has fallen 20% since then. Bitcoin is down from $70,000 to about $35,000 per coin. And Shiba Inu Coin going from about 8,800 points per coin down to 2,000 points per coin, bouncing off a low of around 1,700 points per coin. So the volatility is there, and it's investors looking at the Federal Reserve and interest rates. Now, we did not expect a rate hike today, and we did not get a rate hike today. However, the press conference was a little disappointing because Jerome Powell gave us zero in the form of clarity. Now, when it comes to market sentiment, and when it comes to investors willing to risk their money on assets like Shiba Inu Coin, the thing we need is clarity. We need some level of expectation so that investors feel comfortable putting their money at risk. When the future is unclear, when there's instability out there, when there's uncertainty or fear or doubt, or FUD, as a lot of people like to call it, investors flock to safer assets. And although Shiba Inu Coin is, becoming safer as it rises in market cap and as the underlying projects in the Shiba Inu ecosystem or community continue to take off and advance, crypto in general is still a very new space. Crypto in general, especially Shiba Inu Coin, is a new coin. And it's therefore thought of as a riskier asset. Now, what did Jerome Powell tell us at the Federal Reserve meeting today? Jerome Powell basically told us that the Federal Reserve is willing to do whatever it takes, whenever it takes, how fast it takes, how long it takes to get inflation under control. Now, inflation under control looks like about 2% annualized increases in the basket of goods that it tracks. That means that last year compared to this year, goods this year compared to last year are 2% more expensive. That's what the inflation rate means. Now, we are currently above 7% inflation. Jerome Powell told us that inflation could increase from here, and we could see prices greater than a 7% increase in last year's prices. Jerome Powell told us that, it could get out of hand, and we might have to fight inflation by raising interest rates more than expected. Now, there's a lot of people expecting just 25 basis point increases in interest rates. That means a 0.25% increase. So it's not even a 1% increase. It's not like you're going to go out there and see Jerome Powell raise interest rates by 5% or anything crazy. It's very small increments that the Federal Reserve works in, but they might skip a couple steps, meaning instead of raising it 0.25% and then 0.25% and then 0.25%, they could jump 0.50%, 0.50%, and so on. Now, with that, there were a lot of questions asked, and none of them were in relation to Shiba Inu Coin. Nobody asked about Shiba Inu Coin at the Federal Reserve, but everything that was said affects Shiba Inu Coin because it affects the money that's flowing in and out of cryptocurrency. Now, they asked when they expect to begin interest rate hikes. And I'll just tell you right now, I'm not going to go into a whole skit of what Powell was doing there. He was basically blocking all of these questions and walking his way around it. No direct answers whatsoever. So I'm not going to give you examples of no direct answers. Just know that he gave no direct answers. So they expect that interest rates could begin to increase as soon as March. They expect 3 interest rates, maybe 4 interest rate increases during 2022. So we've got no clarity, no more clarity now than what we had just a couple of weeks ago when Jerome Powell was testifying. So knowing that, knowing the lack of clarity out there, we don't know if they're going to raise in March, if they're not going to raise in March. We don't know if they're going to raise 0.25, if they're going to raise 0.50. We don't know if this is something that will even work. We don't know anything. Okay? I'll leave it at that. We don't know anything. And the fact that we don't know anything drove Shiba Inu Coin, Bitcoin, the entire crypto market back in its tracks a little bit. We started the day off very well, and then Jerome Powell, basically tells everybody that we don't know anything. Stocks, crypto, across the board, started to pull back. Do I think that this is the end of crypto? Absolutely not. Do I think the bulls are going to come out of the woodwork? Absolutely. So get your trading plan together. If you guys plan on holding long-term anyway, stomach the dips. Deal with it. Buy it if you can. If you don't plan on holding long-term, get your line in the sand. Get your take profit or your stop loss out there. Whatever you got to get ready. If you're looking to buy the dip could continue down. Buy when you think it's cheap. And if it continues to go down from there, you're going to have to deal with that loss because it will go up in the future. The money will return. It's never the end. It's never the end of the world until it is the end of the world. And then you're not going to be worried about your crypto portfolio. So, guys, I want to know what you think. Somebody out there offers some sort of clarity in this uncertain world where nobody ever gives anybody any answers. Somebody shed some light down in the comments below. And if this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. We will Binance, Gemini, Crypto.com in the description below. And until the next time, I hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.